here is RGB. Yes. No, tercera diagonal. When I press restart PC, so now I reset PC. And here is reset PC, and it's like you see, here is reset PC and
connected.
A light, yes. And when I log in a PC, now login PC, and lights start absolutely working good. And now start PC, like you can see here, and when I start the Roccat Swarm, lights on, here is working good. Light after start the Roccat Swarm software, and here is all good. But when I reset PC, now lights good. After a reset PC, when I reset PC, lights absolutely broken. Yes, please help me. Thank you.